刀流居合獅子孫孫アトミックスパート
Hey guys, I'm back. Welcome back. I'm back. I have here my 3D printed RORONOA ZORO, printed on the CR-10. He's around 8 inches high. And if you're wondering what problems I've encountered, a lot. From supports, there's just too much support. From breaking of parts, yeah, tore some parts off, just glue them back together. Painting, I suck at painting, but you know, I did my best.
But I guess my best wasn't good enough.
His height is around, wait, let me check. Around 8 inches. He's around 8 inches. Finishing, I didn't finish it well because I was in a hurry because I am bored. Don't have much time to do. So, yeah, but it's okay, as you can see. So, anyways, let's get on to the video. Taking out Zoro out of the CR-10.
The next day.
So guys, I just got home from work and in an hour or so I gotta get back to work. So for the meantime, since I'm not doing anything, I'm going to be finishing up the print. I'm going to be taking off the supports of Zoro and we'll progress from there. So let's get to it. So apparently I have to go back to work. I'll continue this later. So now we're back. So guys, I noticed something when taking off the support. It took me 5 hours to take it off, and when I was taking it off, I broke some pieces. It's a leg, sword, cloth, and another piece of cloth. So how did I break it? There were just too much support. Especially on the inside parts, I had a hard time taking it off. My hands are still bruising from it. Anyways, we'll get it done. We'll glue it back together, and then after that, we'll be painting it. So I got myself some white paint. We'll do the first layer of white paint. And then I got myself some paint. So I got myself a instant glue to glue the pieces together. After gluing these pieces together, we'll be painting it. Let's get to it. It already looks good. Okay guys, so now we're done we're done finished painting. So now we're finished painting. I am now going to show you the model. But first, know this. I am not a professional painter, so bear with me if it's not the best. I tried my best, but it's not the best. So if you're wondering how much support I used up, here it is. A whole box of it. Basically, I used around a ton of it. Yeah, that much. And I had a hard time taking it out, and now I'm finished. So now I'm gonna show you the model. Bear with me, please. Thanks. So we're done, guys. Lastly, I think I made a mistake. It's not supposed to be red. It's supposed to be light green. But because I think Zoro had something like an inner shirt on him, so yeah, I made a mistake. But he had something red on his shirt, so I thought this was it. But it's still, anyways, it still looks good to me. I don't know with you guys. I hope you like it. But anyways, thank you for watching, guys. Give a like if you like the video. Dislike if you don't like the video. Comment if you have any violent reaction. Subscribe if you like my videos, and click the bell button if you like to be tuned up for my other video and my next upcoming video. So in the next video, I'll be doing another One Piece 3D model printing and painting. So get tuned up. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.